ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து டால்ஃபின் ஷோ அண்ட் பேர்ட் ஷோ வந்து ஃபுல்லாக வந்து நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ ஃபுல்லாகவே நாங்கள் வந்து வீடியோவாக எடுத்திருக்கோம். வர முடியாதவங்களுக்குலாம் வந்து இது வந்து ஃபுல் ஷோவாக நீங்கள் வந்து பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி ஷோ தான் உங்களுக்கு வீடியோவாக எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்து நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள்.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு தீரேகா கிச்சன். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி எங்கே வந்திருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா துபாயில் க்ரீக் பார்க் தான் வந்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இதுல என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா சில்ட்ரன்ஸ்க்கு நிறையான ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். மெயினாக பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா டால்ஃபின் ஷோ நடக்கும். நம்ம வந்து டால்ஃபின் ஷோக்கும் அடுத்தது வந்து க்ரீக் பார்க்கோட பேர்ட் ஷோக்குலாம் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி வந்திருக்கோம். ஸோ வாங்க ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம வந்து ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
உள்ள போங்க, சூப்பராக இருக்குது அந்த வியூ. என்னப்பா? ஆமாம் 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 ஆமாம். டிக்கெட்டு காமிச்சிடு. ஓகே. ஸோ 2 adult 1 child. ஸோ இதில் புக் பண்ணுறது 126 இல்லை ஃபுல்லாக
வச்சு பார்க்குறது.
ஆமாம், இன்னொன்று 84. என்னவா? ஓகே, அது இங்கே உட்காந்தலாம். இங்கே உட்காந்தலாமா? காவியா, காவியா எங்கே வந்திருக்க? காவியா? டால்ஃபின் போட்டிங் இல்லை, டால்ஃபின். இது நல்லா மூடு ஊத்திட்டே இருக்கு. கை தட்டு.
talking about. She's about to get on the car. Let me show you some more. One.
அவன் இங்க ஜம்ப் பண்ணி வந்து அடிக்கும் அங்க பாரு அங்க பாரு
She's on the sea. She loves to go shopping. beginning. It's a championship. Lakers versus Chicago Bulls. And this one back in the 80s where all the matches were there. So everybody, let the Hunger Games begin. Check this out. Yes, sir. I love it. Alright, you know what? Let's show them something cool. I'm talking about the little salsa, his window, bachata. Come on everybody, clap your and to remove them.
வந்து இது இல்லை, கிளாஸ் ஷோ. அப்படியே உள்ள கிளாஸ் கலர் தான் இருக்கும். காசுலாம் ஏதாவது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருந்துச்சுன்னா இங்கே வந்து செலவு பண்ணிட்டு போகலாம். இல்லை பொம்மை ஐட்டம் இல்லைன்னா இந்த பக்கமே கூட்டாடாமல் பசங்க கண்ணை மூடி தூக்கிட்டு போயிடலாம். ரொம்ப அதிகமாலாம் இல்லைல்ல, ஓகே தான்ல. நம்ம அந்த பக்கம்லாம் போனால் அதிகமாக வச்சு விட்ருவாங்க. பார்த்து நெக்ஸ்ட் எங்கப்பா?
பர்ட் ஷோ வந்து 12:15
ஏதாவது தண்ணி குடிக்கிறீங்க?
பார்க்கலாம்.
ஹேய் ரேவதி, ரேவதி பார்ட்டி ஆள். பர்த்டே பார்ட்டி கொண்டாடினா இங்கே வந்து கொண்டாடுறதுக்கு. ஆனால் ஃப்ரீயாக கிடையாது, காசு கொடுக்கணும்.
Everybody, welcome aboard. We are going to fly to the bird's world. Are you ready? Okay, so everybody put your hands up. Come on, clap your hands to the music. Welcome the stars of the show. Not forgetting also to welcome our very own. His name is Ellie.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
காவியா பயமா இருக்கா? லைட்டா கொஞ்சம் பயமா. உன் பக்கத்துல வராது, கவலைப்படாத. ஓகே, அங்க பாருங்க, சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
All right, can you hear me? Yeah, is it clear? Yeah, perfect. All right, so first of all, my name is Elias,
DJ
and this one is the second largest Macau, Mr. Rex. All right, DJ, what are we waiting for? Let's welcome the most intelligent ferret in the world, the great African Mr. Coco.
That's right, keep on dancing. Wow, I love it. Okay, kids, mommy, daddy, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dance good? Yeah.
Nice. Did you like the dancing? Dance some more. Go on. Show them how they're taking it.
Say hello to everyone in Arabic.
Wa alaikum salam. Do you want to say something in English?
Hello, ask everybody, how are you?
Everybody doing great. Coco, give me a sound of a cat.
Okay.
Angry dog. Now, Coco, when you see a beautiful lady, what do you do? Now, your best friend have a birthday party. What you gonna sing? Now, you forgot to bring him a present. What would you do? Bye bye.
It's time.
Basketball. Come on,
That's
everybody.
right. He wants to be a part of the NBA superstars like LeBron James from LA Lakers. Come on, go get that ball for him. He puts it in.
He loves to play the puzzle. One is yellow
That is the color of the sun.
and green
The colors of the forest.
and red.
That is the colors of love.
All right, how about the blue?
The sky.
I love this guy.
It's the limit.
Come on, big boy. 1,
One hit. 2,
3.
3.
Now, a few days ago, I had a mother with her husband. True story. After Mama watched this part of the show, she decided
Once you see some rubbish, you have to pick it up and put it in the trash can. All right?
I told her, mommy, why you want to exchange your husband? She said, he's very lazy. All he does sleep on the sofa. When this one used the toilet, he will never forget, use the seat. Everybody, let's give big round of applause to Coco. Thank you. Huh? Yalla, 2 hands. Anyway, you're strong. Jay's? Yalla, JJ, Jet the Jet. Here comes JJ. Bravo, Yalla! Very nice, buddy. Princess, come. Hold this in your hand. Yes, 2 hands. Come, buddy, come help your sister. Come. Help your sister. Very nice. Yalla. Are you ready? Don't move. Come on, big boy. You can do it. Fantastic. Are you ready, Powerpuff Girls? Come on, JJ. Here comes Moji. Fantastic. Meters. Can you tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl? There is one difference. That's the boy. How did you know this is the boy? You're right. How did you know?
Okay.
The game is basketball. The rules are very simple. Whoever finishes last will be the winner.
I love
Choose
it.
a color.
Green.
Who wants to be with DJ with Team Green? Okay, put your
Yeah.
hands down. Who wants to be with me with Team White?
You will lose.
Ah, same kids. I like it. Yalla, ready, set, and fly.
So that is the rule. The one who finishes fast will be the winner. Okay, green, 1 down, 1 more to go. Come on, faster. And no doubt, the winner is green team. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the white team.
Excuse me.
What? Excuse me? Jean Picasso is called the surfer kakatoos, عصافير الكاكاتوز. These birds, they come in 4 different colors. بيجوا ب4 ألوان مختلفين. They come in white, black, gray and pink. أبيض، أسود، زهري ورمادي. All of them can live up to 8 years of age. بيعيشوا ل 80 سنة. But the black palm cockatoo is the only bird who can live up to 100 years of age. Funny fact, they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
Wow. They can live for 100 years with one partner.
Exactly.
Just like humans. Huh?
What?
Yes, just like us.
Baba, can I ask you something? Can you stay 100 years with one partner?
I would like to.
I would like to. I love it. Baba, can you stay 100 years with one partner? No. Can you stay 100 years with one? Yes. Can you stay 100 years with one? No options. This guy is sleeping outside tonight. He's sleeping on the sofa without dinner. Now I want you to use your imagination. Yeah, look at the painting and tell me, what do you see? What does it look like? شو Tell me. Rainbow. I like it. Rainbow. That's cool. What else? What? Masterpiece. I like it. It's a masterpiece. Like Mona Lisa. Huh? Very nice. All right, DJ.
Yes.
What about you? What do you see?
Let me take a look. Wow, it looks like a fruit for me.
A fruit?
Yes,
What kind of fruit look like this?
fruit salad.
You know, he's right. He's right. Fruit salad. You know what I see?
What is that, bro?
Today is what?
Saturday.
Weekends, right? All right. Shawarma combo, buy one get one free. Weekends offer.
Is spicy or regular?
Super spicy. Try it from Happy Valley. Yeah, we should advertise Happy Valley, right? Hey John, is this fruit salad?
No.
Is this Happy Valley shawarma combo?
Ah,
No. Is this a rainbow? No. Is this a masterpiece? Is it a masterpiece of your wife?
yeah.
But I can see 3. You have 3? No, you have 1. She look like 3.
Rainbow.
No. Okay. Maybe reflection. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. Very nice. All right. What? Bigger, bigger. Bigger, bigger, bigger. 20, 20. No. The one pink one behind the turnkey. All right, look what I want from you. Stand here and look forward, all right? Now what I want you to do, I want you to hold the money like this in your hand, all right? Hold it and stretch your arm. Now this bird has been trained by 2 genius people. Me and DJ, Alibaba. Alibaba is a special bird. He comes, he walks, he takes the money, and simply he never come back.
Why you never come back, brother?
This is how we collect our salaries. Do you want to play some more? Who think we should give him the money back? Please raise your hand. Yes, please, feel no shy. Come and pay him. Okay, we're gonna give you the money back. Open your hand like that. Now once he come, put the money in your hand, close it, alright? Hey, big boy, bring back the money. Alright, perfect, here he comes. Close your hand. Close your hand. Everybody, let's give...
What is that, bro?
I have no idea. This is new.
I don't know.
Thank you so much for your donation.
What?
شكراً على التبرع. No, don't give me that. Open your hand one more time. One more time. Hey, buddy, bring back the money. Alright, perfect. Here he comes. Very nice. Close your hand. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Alright. Yeah, let's rumble! يا سلام يا كاس, you speak العربية.
يلا guys, حبيبي, يلا.
You sound like the guy from the metro.
المحطة الكلمة هي هجوما.
الأبواب تغلق. Now this boy loves mathematics. بحب الرياضيات. Who loves mathematics? Of course, there's no adults. Adults, welcome to the family. Give me a number between 1 and 10. 9. Perfect, 9. Another number. 5. 9 plus 5. DJ,
Yes.
do you like mathematics?
Of course, it's my favorite subject.
Perfect. 9 plus 5.
95.
95. What the? 9 plus 5.
Yes, 95.
The kids are laughing at you.
Because I'm right.
Yeah, which school did you go to?
UN.
University of what?
University of Nine.
What did you do there?
Selling popcorn.
Very nice. You should go back there. 9 plus 5. 14.
How come?
It's 14? It's 41. Let's see who's right. All right, come on, big boy. By the way, I have dyslexia.
What is the first number?
Number 1. I think the boy can be right, buddy. Second number.
What is that?
It's 14! Nice! Nice. Alright. Now one of the most ancient games in the humankind history, and everybody knows it. The ball and the cup. What is going to happen, I will jugulugu. If you find it, I'll give you a prize.
Jiggy.
What is this?
Empty box.
Empty box. Never invite this guy to your birthday. Alright, are you ready? 1, 2, and this one is going to be super easy. Where is it? In the middle. Nice.
Yeah.
Round 2, eyes on the cup. 1, 2, 3, and this one's going to be a bit complicated. Here we go. Where is it? Here.
Oh, they are good.
But hey guys, don't get too excited. This is only training. This is the real one. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, eyes on the cup.
Hey, faster. More faster, bro. And how about you juggling? Come on.
Do you want some juggling, DJ?
Yeah, up the ceiling.
Up the ceiling too far. Hi. You know what, DJ?
Yeah.
When I was at school, I was the best magician ever. Nobody can figure out where is the ball. What? No ball? Where? Here? Are you sure? What's your name? Everybody, let's give Ali a big round of applause. Nice. All right, I will shuffle the bird. We'll find 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, let's cheer them up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa!
You know what, bro? Let's do it one more time.
He found it. You
Yeah.
think I'm cheating?
You happen.
Little man, تعال. Come. All right. You know what? My friend here will do it, and I'm gonna show you I'm not cheating. Buddy, تعال. شو اسمك? What's your name? Hassan. تعال. Hassan, شوف. This is the ball. This is the cup. Okay? This one's empty. هلا Hassan, what I want from you is to mix. تخلط. When you finish, you put one here, and one here. Okay? يلا جاهز? 1, 2, 3. يلا حسون. Shuffle. Come on, everybody. Let's cheer him up.
She's good.
I'll turn my face. يلا whenever you're ready, Hassan. يلا شوف بعض. اخلط ووزع. ايوه بنس. يلا وزعهم. Spread them. هيك like this. وزعهم. ايوه هيك. حط وحده هون هيك وبوش هيدي هون. هيك فشق. ايوه very nice. اديني 5 حسن. Thank you. يلا go sit. روح اقعد. Everybody, let's give Hassan a big round of applause. Nice. Now check this out.
Let's talk about real magic. What's this?
You think you will find it? Whoa, man, how he do these things?
He is a magician, bro.
All right, do you want to know how he did this trick? Who wants to know? If I tell you tomorrow I will have no job. And now, the national bird of the UAE, the falcon.
The fastest flying birds in the world that can reach up to the speed of 280 kilometers per hour, the national bird.
There is a difference between a falcon and a hawk. What is the difference? It's the shape of the beak, the shape of the wings, the way they hunt. These ones are not falcons, they are hawks. Now, it's very easy to make the difference only when they hunt. The hawks, they hunt from the air, and falcons, they hunt from the ground. Hawks, they hunt birds, creatures, insects, bugs, anything that fly, but little falcons, they hunt from the ground, mammals, rabbits, everything that walks, and they hunt like the best hunters in the world. They literally dive down like a free dive. Now after the show, my friends, you will be taking a picture with this lovely falcon, and it's going to be very easy and simple. But here we go, let's fly first there, buddy. Look at him, good glory, super cool. Now after the show, you can take a lovely picture with this falcon. It's going to be very easy and simple. On the hand, and they will fly and land on the hand. Trainer Suni will show you how. It's very important to put protective glove on your hand because they have very sharp nails. It can damage your skin. Picture with the falcon will look similar to this one. You can take it by yourself or with your family member. And also there is another picture you can take with the macaws. 3 macaws in one picture, also by yourself.
Brazil, Asafir Ishemes.
My friends, these are the Sankamiyas, Asafir Ishemes. You will spend 10 minutes with them, feed them, take pictures, take videos. Very easy and simple, seeds in the hand, they will fly and eat it. Now everybody make your hands like this. Perfect. They will never come unless you buy your food. It will be for 25 dirham. You can share it with your family. Thank you for joining us. Your MC Elias, beautiful trainers. Stay safe. Bye bye. Ma salama.
Please don't forget that.
Wow.
என்னடா பண்ணுது?
காவியா என்னமா? Hey.
கையை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா போயிடும். கையை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா போயிடும்.
கையை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டவா? என்னது? வாவ். Hey. Hey, sampai bro. Hey.
இந்த ஃபோட்டோ பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா டால்ஃபின் ஷோவில் வந்து லாஸ்ட்டாக எடுத்துக்கலாம் நம்ம ஃபேமிலியோட. ஸோ அந்த ஃபோட்டோவில் நம்ம எது வேணுமோ அதை நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அவங்களே வந்து பிரிண்ட் போட்டு கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதுக்காக தான் வந்து செக் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க டால்ஃபின் ஷோ அண்டு பேர்ட் ஷோ ரொம்ப சூப்பராக இருந்திருக்கும். காவியா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ யூஏயில் இருந்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஃபேமிலியோட குழந்தைங்களோட வந்து இந்த டால்ஃபின் ஷோ பேர்ட் ஷோ வந்து பாருங்கள் மறக்காமல். ஓகேங்களா? இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் தீரேகா கிச்சனுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் நான் உங்களை சந்திக்கிறேன். டாடா பாய்.
அழகா போகிறாங்க பாரு. பாப்பு போலாமா? ஏன்